Have you ever wondered why we spend a third of our lives asleep? Why your brain and body shut down for hours each night, leaving you vulnerable to the world around you? What exactly is sleep, and why do we need it so desperately? Today, we're diving into the science of sleep to uncover why this mysterious activity is essential to our survival. At its core, sleep is a natural recurring state of rest characterized by altered consciousness and a decrease in voluntary muscle activity. But it's far from just turning off for the night. While you sleep, your brain enters a highly active state, cycling through different stages that serve various purposes. There are two main types of sleep: non-REM sleep and REM sleep. Non-REM sleep has three stages, moving from light sleep to deep restorative sleep. REM, or rapid eye movement sleep, is where most dreaming occurs, and your brain becomes almost as active as when you're awake. But if your brain is working so hard during REM sleep, why do we feel so refreshed afterward? Let's look at what happens when we don't get enough sleep. We've all been there, pulling all-nighters or staying up late binge-watching a series. The next day, you're groggy, irritable, and it's harder to focus. But what's really going on inside your brain? Sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired. It impairs cognitive functions like attention, memory, and decision-making. Studies show that even losing a few hours of sleep can have the same effect on reaction time as being legally drunk. This happens because during sleep, your brain cleans up. While you're dreaming, it's removing toxic waste products like beta-amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease, that accumulate throughout the day. Without enough sleep, these toxins stick around, clouding your thoughts. But sleep does more than just clean house. It helps you learn and remember. Throughout the day, your brain takes in an overwhelming amount of information. New connections between neurons form constantly as you learn new things. But for those memories to stick, you need sleep. Specifically, during non-REM sleep, your brain solidifies these connections, like clicking the save button on a computer. Without proper rest, your brain struggles to absorb and retain information. This is why cramming all night for an exam actually hurts your ability to recall facts the next day. Sleep literally makes you smarter. Now, it's not just your brain that benefits from sleep. Your body relies on it too. During deep sleep, your body enters a restorative state. Cells regenerate, tissues grow, and muscles repair themselves. Growth hormone, crucial for recovery and development, is released during this stage. So whether you're an athlete aiming for peak performance or simply trying to stay healthy, sleep is your body's best tool for recovery. Skimping on sleep can lead to increased risks of injuries, weakened immunity, and even chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. At the heart of it all is your circadian rhythm, often referred to as your body's internal clock. This natural cycle governs when you feel alert and when you feel sleepy. It's regulated by the release of hormones like melatonin, which rises in the evening to prepare your body for sleep and decreases in the morning to wake you up. Modern life, though, has a way of messing with this natural rhythm. Artificial light from screens, irregular sleep schedules, and stress can throw your circadian rhythm out of sync. This is why doctors recommend avoiding screens before bed, getting enough daylight, and keeping a regular sleep schedule to maintain a healthy rhythm. But what if you just can't sleep? You toss and turn, your mind racing. This could be a sign of insomnia, a common sleep disorder where falling or staying asleep feels impossible. There are many causes for insomnia: stress, anxiety, caffeine, or even poor sleep habits. One way to combat this is through sleep hygiene, a set of practices that promote good sleep. Things like maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and avoiding heavy meals or stimulants close to bedtime can make all the difference. If you've tried all that and still struggle to sleep, it may be time to talk to a healthcare professional. Sleep disorders like insomnia or sleep apnea can have serious long-term effects on your health if left untreated. So, why do we need sleep? It's not just about rest, it's about recovery, both for your brain and body. It sharpens your mind, boosts creativity, strengthens your immune system, and repairs the physical toll of daily life. Without sleep, we break down, both mentally and physically. In our busy world, sleep can often feel like a luxury we can't afford, but it's actually a biological necessity that fuels every part of our lives. The next time you're tempted to sacrifice sleep for one more episode or a late-night scroll, remember that getting enough sleep isn't just important, it's essential. So tonight, take a deep breath, turn off the lights, and give your body the rest it truly needs. Sweet dreams. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more fascinating science topics, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.